Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I do have another wig review for you. This is by UNICE Hair. This is their upgraded EasiContour V-part wig in Yaki Straight. So when you do get your wig, you'll get a few goodies. I got a nice satin robe, some HD wig caps, some press-on nails, and a elastic melt band. So here is a look at the wig. I did get 150% density and 22 inches. So here's what the top of the V-part wig looks like. Very natural, and this is going to blend in seamlessly with your natural hair. Seamlessly, it's going to look like your hair or either a sew-in. So here is the inside construction of the wig. It does have those nice clip combs in there. You get two on each side of the V and then one at the crown. I never use the one at the crown though. And then you also get a comb on the right and left sides of the wig. You get a comb in the back, and then you get a elastic adjustable band, so super secure. And then you also get this added drawstring adjustment. So this is upgraded, this is new, so this wig is not going anywhere. Super secure. So you just pull that drawstring to adjust the wig, and then it also does have a small buckle that you pull to make sure that the wig stays in place and does not move. So you can adjust this to your head. So now I'm going to go ahead and just prep my hair and get it ready for the install of this V-part wig. And I did just section off a small portion in the front. You don't need much hair to be able to blend in with this V-part, unless of course you have thinner hair or finer hair, then you might have to have more leave out. But I didn't leave out too much hair, so that was good. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach the wig with those combs, get everything secure, get everything adjusted on my head. And now I'm just showing you how I'm adjusting that drawstring. And the wig is looking really good already. Now I'm just going to blend in my leave out. As you can see, that blends in perfectly. Like perfect. And here is a closer look at what my hair looks like blended in with the V part. Now I'm just going to add some heat protectant and go in and just further, smooth the hair out with my flat iron just to get it a little bit smoother. It does have that yaki texture in it, so it's definitely going to mimic our hair, black people's hair, how we have, that texture in our hair, So I really like that. Super natural. I hate silky textured wigs. So this one is perfect for us. Perfect. Just blends in so perfectly. Okay, so I did go ahead and straighten out the hair just to get a more sleeker look. And it is looking absolutely beautiful, and it blends perfectly. This is looking exactly like my hair. The texture, the yaki texture blends right in with my leave out, as you can see. And this is what the hair is looking like. Super bouncy and flowy. And you can't even tell this isn't my hair. It looks like a sew-in, or at least my hair. And this is 22 inches, so it falls just at my lower back area. This is definitely the most natural V-part wig I've ever had in my life, because the last V-part wig that I had from a different company, the comb in the back was sliding out of my hair, so the added drawstring just makes it that much secure, and it will ensure that this does not fall off of your head, which we don't want. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some curls to this just to see if this Yaki texture holds a curl. So I am back. I did curl the entire V-part wig, and I think I do like this wig better curled. I don't know, it just brings it to life. Curls just add a little something. This will be a nice wig to wear for the holidays. If you have, you know, nice Christmas holiday photos coming up, any type of Christmas parties coming up, this would be a really, really good option for you to wear for those events. But that is pretty much it for this review. I highly recommend this wig, super natural. Tell me down in the comment sections down below if you think that this wig looks better straight or curly, and I will be sure to leave all of the specs to this wig down in the description box in case you want to check out UNICE and their site. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.